everyone, it's Zach with Wrecker Central, back giving you guys another shop update. So I don't have a lot going on, just doing some of my back end stuff, all the boring stuff that nobody wants to see on camera because it's just not cool. But we do have a lot of stuff going on out in the shop. Let's go take a look and see what those guys are up to, alright? Come on.
Morgan, what are you doing over here?
I'm working on head plates for the main bar, Big Chief, to make sure the hex bolt fits and fits in there.
Alright, so we get these machined out by a guy. He cuts these big holes for us out of this big steel here. So what Morgan's doing is making sure we've got a test pin that we use. This is a test hex pin to make sure that those drop smoothly down in. So this bottom plate's done. Right now is making sure that that top plate for this Big Chief, the hex pins will fit down in there. So we make them precision, and then he's going to mount it over there onto that crossbar that he's got. So we just finished up that Big Chief over there, and now we're working on this Big Chief head over here. Oh, did you have a good weekend?
I did have a good weekend. You?
Good. I did. My TV broke, and my dog pooped on the floor, and the Roomba ran it over. So I had that going for me.
That's a mess.
It was a mess, but that sounds like a later me problem. I'm going to let you get back to make sure that these fit.
All right.
All right, bud. All right, so here we have this 2007 Dodge that they brought in. These guys are getting a Big Chief put on. So let's walk back here and see what Bob got going on. So he's already reinforced the frame. I see he's got it done on both sides over there. We've got this frame basically set up ready to install. We're going to do a test fit first. So that's what the purpose of these guys here are. These are little test tubes that we built to make sure that the frame mounts correctly. We put it up on this lift, seal it up underneath, and we hand fit it. So he's working on getting that fitted up. We've got mounting plates that are going to go over here and another one over here somewhere roughly. So once Bob gets everything ready, we're going to come over and we're going to help him get these hooked up. But this is a really nice truck for an 07. This has little to no rust on. I know it kind of looks really bad, but I promise the camera makes it look worse than it is. So we got it all cleaned up and got the frame reinforced.
All right, as it turns out, I lied to you guys. This truck right here is not getting a Big Chief. It is getting a Proline Series 3. It's getting the Outlaw thrown on there. So that's my bad. But still, nonetheless, we reinforced the frame for this customer, and they're getting the frame put on. All the frame for the Big Chief and the Outlaw are the same. So still going on there. But yeah, not a Big Chief. It is getting an Outlaw. So that's my bad.